What's up, everybody? It's Wes and Darcy from Blue Coast Precision, and today we're going to talk to y'all about what we have in store.
So we're in the process right now currently of completely getting everything out of the garage because it is currently super messy. That's why we're not showing you guys. We want to go ahead and we want to seal the floors before we get that machine in here, get ready for electrical, kind of get everything in its place and get ready for the machine.
Yeah, and in case y'all didn't know, we're getting a little Haas mini mill. I say little, it's going to be huge in our little garage, but we're going to make it happen. Pretty excited. I still need to buy a toolbox. Like Darcy said, we got to stain the floors, get the electrical done, and go from there. I mean, it's going to be a little process, but it's going to get done sooner or later. All right, well, I guess we're going to start cleaning. What's up, everybody? Now, what's up, everybody? It's Wes over here at Blue Coast. So today we moved everything out of the garage. Behind y'all is all of our junk. So we got the first coat on. I used Clear Seal by Sealcrete, baby. I don't know. We'll see how it does. I didn't prep anything. This is a year-old house, so everything should be good. There's not really any big stains on it yet, so we'll see how it works and definitely let y'all know. But I guess the next time you see me, everything should be back in the garage, and we should have everything somewhat organized. All right, see y'all in a bit. What's up, everybody? We're back. The garage is clean. We're not 100% done. We still need to buy a toolbox and get everything organized, but for right now, we're at a good starting point of trying to figure out where the machine's gonna go, which we're probably gonna have it sitting about right here with the doors this way, and everything should clear, the spindle and everything. But we still gotta get the electrical done, and that'll probably be the next video. So like, subscribe, comment. See y'all in the next one. Bye.